What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are going to be making mussels in a beautiful spicy white wine sauce. It's going to be amazing. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below which you want us to cook next, and let's get to it.
Let's start with the onions. This ingredient is a staple in many savory dishes, and for a good reason. When cooked, it becomes sweet and caramelized, adding a subtle sweetness and depth to any dish. The chili peppers. These little guys add a wonderful pop of heat that balances out the sweetness of the wine and richness of the mussels. They're not overwhelmingly spicy, but they add just enough kick to wake up your taste buds and make you appreciate the other flavors in the dish even more. The garlic. When you saute it with onions and butter, it becomes soft and fragrant, infusing the entire dish with a subtle garlicky goodness. When you combine the chili peppers with the garlic and onions, you get a complex, flavorful sauce that's full of depth and character. When you put all these ingredients together, you get a dish that's truly magical. The mussels are tender and succulent, the sauce is full of flavor and complexity, and then the onions and garlic and chili peppers just add the right amount of depth and heat. I'll know you love this dish as much as I do, so go ahead and give it a try. Buon appetito.
Let's dig in. Oh, this looks amazing. First bite. This is just absolutely spectacular. If you guys love mussels and you love spicy mussels, this is definitely the recipe you need to try. You just can't beat it. Mussels are probably one of my favorite meals to eat, and being able to eat them outdoors like this, so easily, readily accessible, all you need is a couple ingredients, is unbelievable. What I would really like to hope for is that someone actually comes walking through and we can get them to try it and give us a little rate through 1 through 10, so you're not just hearing it from me. This is just so good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below which one is to cook next, and we'll see you in next week's video. Take it easy.